I honestly can't remember the last time we saw a jury deliberate this late in Oneida County Court. This jury is putting in work. The jurors in this case returned to the courtroom around 10 o'clock this morning, and within about 20 minutes, they had sent a note to the judge. Throughout the day, the jury had asked to review testimony. They wanted to hear direct and cross-examination, watch portions of officer body-worn camera footage, and have the conditions, which the judge interpreted as elements of murder and manslaughter, read back to them slowly.
Hello, critical thinkers. Hope all is well. Please like the video, share the video, comment below on the video, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Please also click on the bell notification icon and select all so that you will be notified when I go live.
The verdict watch continued throughout the day in the trial of 3 Marcy Corrections officers accused of killing inmate Robert Brooks.
Now, court typically wraps up about 4 o'clock, but the jury was rewatching video and then went back to deliberating, going beyond the 4 o'clock deadline. News Channel 2's Jolene Ferris live outside Oneida County Court to give us an update on this case.
Thank you, Kristen. I honestly can't remember the last time we saw a jury deliberate this late in Oneida County Court. This jury is putting in work. The jurors in this case returned to the courtroom around 10 o'clock this morning, and within about 20 minutes, they had sent a note to the judge. Throughout the day, the jury had asked to review testimony. They wanted to hear direct and cross-examination, watch portions of officer body-worn camera footage, and have the conditions, which the judge interpreted as elements of murder and manslaughter, read back to them slowly. This is a request they made at least 2 times. David Kingsley, Nicholas Kiefer, and Matthew Gallagher's top charges are murder and manslaughter. 3 defendants, but only 1 jury, and their verdicts for the defendants can be, but certainly do not have to be, the same. And who knows, maybe that's something they're getting hung up on. This is certainly uncharted territory in Oneida County Court. And like we said before, every jury is different, but what we tend to see in these trials is they'll ask for readbacks, and then once they're in agreement on what they heard, they'll move on to definitions of law so they know how to apply that to what they just heard. Then maybe the definition of reasonable doubt, and we frequently see them come back with a verdict. But this jury has been making many requests, and there's really no rhyme or reason. They'll ask for readbacks, definitions of law. They want to see exhibits, more readbacks. They want to hear the law again. So like we said before, if nothing else, we can certainly deduce that they are doing a thorough job, and it's good that they're asking questions and making requests if they do have questions. So again, no verdict on day 3 of deliberations, and they will be back at it here in Oneida County Court Monday at 10. We should mention that we left the courtroom, but we had people still up there, and the jury did already make a request for something they want to see and hear on Monday. Back to you.
Oh, very interesting. Jolene Ferris live tonight outside the courthouse.
Now, as for the others in this case, Michael Fisher's case is adjourned until January, and every other corrections officer charged has pleaded guilty. That's Nicholas Anzalone, Michael Mishaw, David Walters, Anthony Farina, Nicholas Gentile, and Christopher Walrath.
If you found value in this video, please like the video, comment below. Don't forget to share the video. And if you feel that I've earned it, please subscribe to the channel. My goal is to give you honest and direct feedback and go deeper than what the mainstream media is telling you. Take care, God bless, and see you next time.